This recipe for pancake makes the most perfect soft and fluffy pancake. This perfect fluffy pancake recipe is so easy and untimely rewarding. You will love how the pancake melts in your mouth. Let's get started. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I already sieved my flour before start measuring. Please remember to do that. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Also, I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. It's optional, but I like adding it. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all your dry ingredients together. Pancake recipe are actually very simple. These are ingredients you can already have in your kitchen. Set your dry ingredients aside and let's start making our wet ingredients. You will need 400 ml of buttered milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 2 egg yolk. To give your pancake extra flavor, you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's optional, you can skip this if you don't want it, and mix all your ingredients until it's properly combined, especially your dry white ingredients. You have to mix it until everything is well cooperated with all your flavor that you add to it, all the ingredients. If you find these ingredients too thick, you can add 2 tablespoons of water. Is optional. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you do not want any sweetener, you can skip it since we are going to be using syrup later in the day. So that's why I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Pancakes are easy to prepare and they are a very perfect breakfast recipe. In an empty bowl, add your 2 egg whites into it and whisk until everything looks very fluffy. To get a perfect result, use your hand mixer to do this. You want a fluffy egg white on your pancake. This pancake recipe is very fluffy. You are going to like the texture in your mouth when you try this pancake recipe. You can prepare pancake with buttermilk. You can also prepare pancake with water or milk. So after mixing this, make sure your egg white is very fluffy before you add your other ingredients. This give your pancake that little bubbles that you need that will make your pancake very fluffy. Let's start combining our ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add my buttermilk into my ingredients and mix this together. You're going to see that bubbles, that fluffiness of your ingredients. You can see it look very creamy. This is going to help your pancake look very fluffy and you are going to enjoy that bite of that pancake. Is very well rewarding. This pancake is so delicious and very rewarding. You cannot have enough of this pancake recipe. I love how creamy these ingredients look like. It's going to help your pancake and it's going to give you that bubbles, that little bubbles, that fluffiness that you want your pancake to look. Your pancake is going to look very fluffy and it's going to look perfect. With simple ingredients, you can get easy pancake recipe that you can easily combine together to get a perfect pancake recipe. Let's go ahead and add our pancake mix into our wet ingredients. Combine this thoroughly until everything is well cooperated. Pancake is an easy recipe that you can prepare in your house for breakfast. It's very easy and it's a very quick breakfast recipe that you are going to enjoy. You can have the ingredients of pancake in your kitchen and you can get that perfect pancake recipe. If you have any question regarding this my pancake recipe, it can be my oatmeal pancake recipe. Please don't hesitate in leaving it in comment section. If you want to learn more of my recipe, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a new video. There are so many recipes that are coming and there are so many recipes in my channel. Please do not forget to check them out as well. So mix this thoroughly until you get that fluffy. You can see this, the texture of that pancake look very fluffy. Once you start baking this, you get the perfect fluffy pancake that you are looking for. So let's start preparing our pancake. As I said, if you have questions, please do not hesitate in leaving it in comment section. And please remember to like this video as well. I like how the pancake batter look fluffy. In a pan, rub some butter or you can also spray a butter on oil. Add your pancake mix, which is your pancake batter, in your pan. Let it cook until you can see the bubbles on the surface. Then flip it to the other side. Cook it like 3 to 5 minutes in both sides. Then remove it from the pan. Your pancake should be ready. As you can see, it look very good in color. Our pancake is ready, so I'm going to put it in baking rack so it will cool down. So you can repeat the process until your pancake batter is finished. So this is the outcome. You can see it look very fluffy. You can see the texture, everything look fluffy. So let's add some topping. You can do any topping of your choice. I like using blueberry and strawberries to do my topping. You can also use banana, anything you feel like as your topping. Use some syrups to enjoy this your pancake recipe. I hope you enjoy how to make pancake fluffy pancake recipe. So this is how to make pancake a fluffy pancake recipe. If you have any question regarding this recipe, please do not hesitate in leaving it in comment section. I'm always here to answer your question regarding my pancake recipe. If you enjoyed this my pancake recipe, please do not forget to like this video and remember to share this recipe with your loved ones. Consider checking my channel for more recipe. I have so many recipe that you can check in my channel. If you've not subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel to see more videos. This is how to make pancake, fluffy pancake recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.